Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Amara Raja Batteries. The stock has good financials and the sector is booming, so one can go long in the stock for a long term basis. And the stock also gave a long term breakout and now it's at the retracement point and it's currently bottoming at the retracement, so one can go long at current market price for long term. And the stock is currently with very bullish candle and a choppy red candles. So let's analyze the chart on technical basis. This is the monthly chart of Amara Raja batteries. The chart actually shows a good upside momentum here. From the 2012 range, the stock started rallying and topped at the price range of 1050 and it formed a double top here. So usually after a double top, the stock will have a equivalent downfall of the height of the double top. So the stock fell drastically till the price range of 466, which is almost equal to the height of the double top. So it's a good technical followers chart. So now the stock is bullish because the stock broke the all odds and currently it's in the retracement mode. How to find a retracement is a big question for investors and traders. So one should understand the price action and the volume analysis. Before taking a position, one should understand whether the stock has potential to move higher or lower. So look at the candles here. The stock gave a good breakout at this level, which is around 770 level. The candle is very huge and the sellers are very less, and it's almost zero sellers with a small fake outs. So currently the stock is near the 737 range, which is around 20% down from the high. The candles is very small. This shows the sellers are quite weak in the stock, but the volume is high here. So what should we conclude here? The manipulation happened here. So if the stock is very good and the stock came out from the long term breakout, but the selling volume is huge, what's the reason behind it? So the reason is very simple. Someone or some big investor just like that manipulated the stock. It cannot be taken as a manipulation because they need a lots of shares, but there are very less shares coming out of the demat accounts. So they try to push the price lower and lower so that the retail people and some other people will try to sell the stock in fear. That's where the big bulls will buy the stock. So the stock is currently at the major confluence area. The stock is cleanly manipulated, so one can go long if the stock placed above the price range of 800. So this can be a next multi-bagger stock because the sector itself booming and the bull run of the sector is just started. So one can go long in the stock. The stock also gave a breakout from the long term range which is followed since 2015. So let's move to the weekly chart to analyze further. So look at the price action. The price action is very simple because the stock is bottomed here. Because the price has bottomed. Look at the follow up candle of this huge red candle. There is no follow up at all. Almost a same range of candles is formed for more than 4 weeks. So this can be taken as the major accumulation zone in this stock. So let me draw the major confluence area that govern the stock. So this region can be taken as the major confluence area for the stock, and this will act as the major confluence area till the price moves this price range. So let me show the prices reaction to the same range. So here it has acted as a support, 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 resistance, 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 and now some of the manipulators entered the stock and created a fear in the stock, so that every retail people would have sold the stock, so they would have bought the stock at that price with a bulk deal. So this is how the stock market works. If someone wants something, they will create fear. If someone wants to sell something, they create greed. So the only question is, will the stock move up? Many of our subscribers asking a review on the stock. Just now I found why they are asking too much, because the stock is very good to go long. Even I consider going long in the stock, because the chart is clearly manipulated, but the stock is in uptrend. Because look at the volumes and the candles here. The volume is almost more than average, and the candles are very huge. This shows the power of bulls in the stock. And look at the volumes and the candle here. The candles are very small and it's almost jittery in nature, so it's a good stock to go long. And let me move to the daily chart to analyze the price target for the stock. So the stock is very good, so one can go long blindly and take exit only if the stock breaks the 200-day moving average. So it's a good stock to go long, but take entry only after a breakout. So let me draw the major trend line that followed in the near term. So this can be taken as the major trend line. So one can take entry only after the breakage of trend line. The breakage was done here, but it's very choppy and the market gives a false signals here and there. So just take entry above the price range of 814. For the people who are holding this stock, nothing is to be worried, because the stock is in a good bull run, so one can hold the stock. One can take fresh positions only above the price range of 800. 800 can be taken as entry for the stock and hold till the price breaks the 50-day or 200-day moving average. And most easy target is the price range of 1000, which is almost 28%, and it will act as a resistance. So one can book profits on price range of 1000, and entry is just above the price range of 800, which is almost 24% upside. So one can go long in the stock above the price range of 800, and one can take 1000 as the target. And for long term investors, it's a good stock to go long and follow the trend till it breaks the 200 exponential moving average. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos. Thank you.